In the last video, we talked about finding the right buyer, but the right buyer is only half of it. The terms matter just as much. Most people assume selling comes with a list of demands. Clean it up, make the repairs, be out before closing, work around showings. Here's what most sellers don't realize. None of that is set in stone. Close fast or take more time. Stay a few weeks after closing. Leave behind what you don't want. Sell it exactly as it sits. Those aren't obstacles, they're just terms, and terms can be shaped around you. Now, you've probably heard other companies say the same thing, sell as is on your timeline. Those things are real, they matter, but there's a difference between a buyer who will take the house as is and a process that actually helps you get there. Because selling is rarely just about the transaction. If the house needs to be cleared out, we can help coordinate that. If it's sitting empty, we can keep it maintained while it sells. And if you need to get moving before everything closes, we can help with that too. We'll come back to that later in the series. The point is simple. Every seller's situation is different. Some need speed, some need time. Some want to keep it simple. The right answer for one seller is the wrong answer for another. So we start with what matters most to you and build from there. Selling should fit your life, not the other way around. In the next video, we'll show you exactly how 14 days works from start to finish.